Hello, welcome to the tools. In today's video, we'll be looking at how to install and use the Finegrain Image Enhancer, a tool that transforms low-resolution images into stunning high-resolution versions with intelligently generated details. The link to the Hugging Face page will be in the description. You can also download the already compiled ZIP file, unzip it, and run it directly. That link will also be in the description. But for this video, we'll be installing it locally, following these steps. Open CMD in the directory where you want to install it. Then clone the repository and follow the rest of the steps like this. Hey, don't forget to like and subscribe. The installation process will take some time, so just be patient and wait for it to finish. Now that the installation is complete, we can create a .bat file to easily start the program. Just create a new .txt file and type in this command. Now that we have our .bat file ready, just double-click on it to start the application. Hey, don't forget to like and subscribe. It helps me out a lot and keeps me making more videos like this. Once it's running, open the local URL in your browser. From here, we can upload any low-quality image we want to enhance. Under the Advanced Options tab, You'll also find settings like adding positive and negative prompts to guide the enhancement. Next, we'll run the program by clicking on Enhance Image. This process may take a little time depending on your system. And here we have the result, a beautifully enhanced, high-resolution version of our image. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.